Hi, guys, welcome back to my social space where we create delicious, delectable recipe. So you can see we have some nice fresh green vegetables and arrays of different colored tomatoes. You want to know what I'm going to do with all this? Just sit back, watch, and enjoy. So let's get straight into today's video. First, we're going to be slicing our vegetables. And while I'm slicing, let's just have a little bit of chit chat together. How was your week? How you been doing? Um, how was your weekend? What did you cook over the weekend? Can you share me one of your plates? And most importantly, being active on my page so I can shout you out in my next video. Did you realize that I have a new song playing on my videos? Tell me what you think about this new song. Do you like it? Should I go back to my regular Anne's Cooking and More? But I've changed my name from Anne's Cooking to I'm Cooking. And the reason why a lot of you have been asking why have I changed it? My name is Anne Marie, so it's just the abbreviation of my name that I've changed my channel to. So after cutting our vegetable, we're going to put them in a bowl, just like you see me doing here. And now would be a very good time to share this video so someone can join in and see how I'm preparing this. So here has some barbecue sauce, and this is my own homemade barbecue sauce, which you can order on my website at www.imcookingandmore.com. So I'm adding some season to the bone, and I got this season from Jamaica. There's this lady that sells food, and she brought it to me, and this is my first time trying it, and I, it was really, really nice. Go ahead also, and I had just a little bit of olive oil, some paprika, and I've always said that word wrong, so forgive me if I didn't pronounce it right. And then I dig in and combine that barbecue jerk marinade into these yummy vegetables. So in a pan, we go ahead and we also spray a bit of oil, and you can use any oil of your choice. And then we did not season our chicken. We're just going to be grilling the chicken in the pan just like that without any seasoning added to it. And with this pan, you don't even have to use oil, but I choose to add a bit of oil to it. You can see the chicken are slightly grilled. We don't want it to grill too much because we're going to combine it with the rest of vegetables you saw me cut earlier on. So this was how I wanted my chicken to be. But if you want to get it done more, you can, but there's no point in overcooking your chicken. Then I slice them up, and then we're going to go in with our vegetable into a baking ware, and then we add the chicken to it, and those are the pak choy I'm adding to it, and I just slice the pak choy in two and layer them on top of the chicken. Then I put more of those barbecue marinade vegetables on top. Then I'm going in with some mozzarella cheese, and then I had a bit more barbecue. This is going to be so barbecuey, if that's the right word. So now, guys, we're going to put this in the oven. And after we put it in the oven, look how yummy and delicious this turns out to be. It is all one pot. This is a great way to get the family to enjoy a delicious meal, great flavors, great taste, and very filling, and also very, very nutritious. And you know me as usual, we gotta sit and eat this plate of goodness together. So where you grab your knife and fork and let's eat. The crunch was so crunchy, and these carrots and the courgette and the tomatoes, everything just goes so well. It combines so good. Who would tell that barbecue vegetables and chicken would taste so delicious? As I always said, my recipe is as much as mine, just as much as yours. And please don't hesitate to give any a try. And after you've done it, just come back and make a comment in the comment section. Say, guess what? I'm cooking. I tried it and it was so delicious. Until I come again, this is I'm Cooking and More. So God bless and bye bye.